Are you looking as custom apparel and personalized gifts grow in popularity? The demand for reliable heat press machines has soared. Whether you're a small business owner, DIY enthusiast, or hobbyist, the right heat press can elevate your t-shirt printing game. In this guide, we evaluate the best heat press t-shirt printing machines based on essential factors like heat and pressure control, build quality, surface area. List none. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 Heat press machine for t-shirts with adjustable pressure and higher heating height. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 stands out with its intuitive design and excellent performance for both beginners and experienced users. What makes it exceptional is the adjustable pressure system that adapts to varying fabric thicknesses, great for multi-layered or bulk projects. With its increased heating height, users can press thicker items like hoodies or layered garments with ease. The automatic heat and pressure adjustment reduces the learning curve, and the built-in safety features ensure peace of mind during long use. The sleek and compact design makes it a solid addition to any workspace. Whether you're producing one-off shirts or small batches, this heat press delivers consistent results. List number: HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. 15x15 Smart T-shirt Press Machine with Auto Release. This 15x15 HTVRONT Auto Heat Press takes automation to the next level with its smart auto release function, preventing overheating and giving your arms a break. The large pressing surface is perfect for full-size T-shirts, hoodies, or tote bags. Designed with smart heating technology, it maintains even temperature distribution, ensuring no burnt patches or underheated areas. With just a few taps, the machine handles everything, making it perfect for beginners or those scaling up production. It's also equipped with a touchscreen interface that allows for easy temperature and time control. List number: Cricut EasyPress 3 Heat Press Machine, 12x10 with Teflon sheets. The Cricut EasyPress 3 12x10 offers a great balance between professional results and home-friendly usability. With Bluetooth-enabled smart control via the Cricut Heat app, it simplifies the process for newbies and advanced users alike. It heats quickly and evenly, and includes Teflon sheets to protect your garments and prevent sticking. Ideal for those doing vinyl and HTV projects, the 12x10 size gives enough space for mid-sized designs without taking up too much room. Its portability and compact design make it a favorite for crafters and side hustlers alike. List number: 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine, 12x15-inch swing-away heat press for sublimation, t-shirt pressing machine multifunction. For those looking for all-in-one versatility. This 5-in-1 heat press is a workhorse. It comes with attachments for mugs, hats, plates, and more, making it the most multifunctional on the list. The 12x15-inch swing-away design offers safety and convenience, while the 360-degree rotation helps prevent accidents and allows for even pressure. Perfect for sublimation and HTV, this press is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to expand beyond just shirts. The digital display makes time and temperature settings easy to manage. List number: Cricut EasyPress 3 Zen Blue 9x9-inch heat iron-on HTV press machine for personalized gifts, DIY projects, custom tote bags. Compact, sleek, and easy to use. The Cricut EasyPress 3 9x9 Zen Blue is perfect for personalized DIY projects. It offers even heat from edge to edge and works great for smaller items like baby clothes, tote bags, and craft items. The Bluetooth-enabled app provides step-by-step instructions, making it beginner-friendly. It's light enough to carry, quick to heat, and stores easily. While it might not handle large-scale production, it's an excellent tool for casual creators or hobbyists.